Ano? Call ikaw, Papa? Oh. You call Papa? Na-call na, Papa.
Papa.
Where are you? Sige, call.
Papa.
Where are you?
Papi.
Ano siguro sinasabi niyo? Oh, wait daw, sabi ni Papa. Oh, wait daw, sabi ni Papa. How about Mama? You call Mama, you call Mama.
Mama, I am Mama.
How are you, Mama? I miss you. Sabi mo, I miss you, Mama. Miss you, Mama. Love you. See you later. Later. See you later, Mama. Okay, give me my cell phone, baby. Oh, give me my cell phone. Don't. Oh,
Papa.
you call na Papa.
Hello, Papa. Mama. Papa. Mama, Papa.
Miss na daw niya Mama, Papa niya. Wawa man. How about ate?
Hello.
Ano?
Yes.
It's a police.
Dog.
Narinig niya yung police na ano. Not feeling. Wala nagdoktor yan kagabi.
Papi. Mama. Daddy. Daddy.
How about tatay? Ado. Tatay, see you later.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. See you later.
Later.
Love you. Oh, thank you, baby. Hoy! Ay. Bigay na kay nanay. Mag-call dyan si pulis. No, hindi ikaw bigay nanay. Mag-call si pulis dyan. Pulis! Where's my cell phone? Nandun na naman yung mga toys niya mo. Sa table. Diyan yan na. Oy! Pulis! Pulis, yung cellphone ni nanay, kinuha ni Tanisha, pulis. Ay, marunong ka na kay nanay. Oh, give that one to nanay. Oh, give to nanay cellphone. Ang pulis mag-call dyan. Give to nanay that one, my cellphone. No, why, man? That is not yours. That is not yours. Kaninong cellphone yan? Bibi, kaninong cellphone yan? Kanino yan?